Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2025 Scout 357 LXF. This is a brand new model from Scout, first one we've ever stocked here. Gorgeous boat, midnight blue, full hull gel coat color with the Scout white accent stripe. Double stepped hull, it's part of Scout's S-Class series for anything 33 feet and above. Also a epoxy infused E-glass hull, so really stiff and rigid ride and construction. Coming around to the transom area, you can see you got a full walk-through transom with the Aztec synthetic teak material in a gray finish. We have this boat powered with triple V10 5.7 liter 400 horsepower engines from Mercury with joystick. And now we'll make our way up inside. So again, full walk-through transom on the 357 makes it really easy to get from one side or the other to this boat. The V10 engines from Mercury feature the top cowling service door with a nice easy button to open and close the door. Latch releases the clip so you can remove the cowling with just one arm. We've got a large live well on the back that you can open with these double doors. Also makes for a great cooler. Rod holders and cup holders along the back. Nice big heavy duty door at the transom with a pad that finishes off all the combing bolsters. We have our shore power connections here. We also have a auto reversing or auto flushing system. That's the power button for that. Undergunnel rod storage on the starboard side. We have storage in the floor as well. Pump out fish boxes on both sides. Nice comfortable stern seat. This is the Bianca colored interior, so it's a kind of a white cream color with black stitching. It's really sharp. The stern seat stows away nice and clean. Down here in the bilge, we have a stern kit with dedicated storage space. Nice finished bilge. We have a SeaDeck foam pad in the floor. It keeps things from sliding around, but also some added comfort if you're doing any work down here. Everything's easy to get to, easy to keep clean. We have a reboarding ladder for the port side dive door that stows there. Big heavy duty swing in dive door on the port side. Again, that ladder you saw there, like a swimming pool style ladder, mounts into those receivers. We have recessed cleats throughout the boat. Fender Pro quick connects. 2 receivers on both sides. We've got an aft facing seat here. Raw and freshwater sprayers that are on reels. Stow away nice and clean. We have retractable rocket launchers under the hardtop and an extended fiberglass hardtop shade with controls that are right here on the starboard side. This backrest does convert to a little bit of a prep or a serving area. You need to put out some lunch. Coming over here to the port side, triple wide helm seat with bolsters that adjust, so you can convert this to either where you want to be in a leaning position, or if you want to sit, whether you're driving or you're one of the passengers. You do have armrests on both sides that come down. Really well done helm here. Edson steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Got a single 16-inch screen in the middle and 2 12-inch screens on the outside. I've got any type of setup you want to do. You can do chart plotter, switching, sonar. I've got the bow eye camera up on the front, so in this case I'm seeing the trailer we're sitting on, but if I was going to pull up my windlass anchor, I could see that as well, or if I was approaching a beach or a dock. Mercury vessel view screen here, 7-inch unit. Glove box here on the port side with charging ports. My joystick control, air conditioning vents, the charger for my phone, induction style charger, and of course digital throttle and shift with those Mercury engines. Above we have a VHF radio, upgraded sound system from JL Audio with speakers overhead and subwoofers down below. Big glass windshield with vents, ventilation on either side, and a windshield wiper as well. Sliding over here to the starboard side, we do have 3 rows of storage. And then we also have a trash receptacle on the port side. Really spacious cabin on this boat, also makes for great storage as well. You've got a table that sets into place here around this settee area, or you can drop a filler to convert it to a one solid berth. We have our ignitions here, our stereo head unit, our battery switches and distribution panel. Got a nice vessel sink with a refrigerator, our head, mirror. This is climate controlled as well, so air conditioned space. And you've got a nice cabinet storage behind here as well. So now making our way forward up to the bow area. Super comfortable and well designed bow arrangement from Scout. Got a expansive forward seating area with molded in backrests. So someone who is well over 6 feet can comfortably stretch out. We've got a powder coated grab rail that goes around the entire perimeter of the seating area. We have rod holders, pop-up lights. We have rod holder, cup holder combos, so this boat is ready for a shade kit. Of course, our windlass anchor is mounted through the stem with controls up in the foredeck in addition to what you have back at the bow, and you've also got a washdown connection point as well. There's storage beneath all 3 of these seats. Access to our anchor line as well. And storage beneath the port seat. We've got this powered table in the down position. It does raise up to create a filler cushion here, or you can bring it all the way up to the top and actually use it as a tabletop. You've got the big chase lounge with more storage beneath, along with dedicated space for a ladder for the transom. We have cooler boxes or storage boxes on both sides of the gunnels here. The chase lounge is huge, it's contoured, it's very comfortable. Great place to ride on this boat. And that's a walkthrough of our Scout 357 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, right off Daniel Island. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.